Hello YouTube and welcome to your new Text Laws video. Today is Apple Day and we got already the new iPhone 8, the iPhone 8 Plus and the brand new Apple Watch Series 3 with 4G LTE here. But this video is all about the brand new Apple iPhone 8. This is a black version and it's a basic model with 64 GB of storage for 800 euros here in Germany. Just for comparison, the black box versus the white box. Of course, you see the Apple iPhone on top, but you see a difference in the Apple logo, which is silver here and black on the black version, as well as the iPhone signs on the side. On the box itself, we don't get much information, only that the foil is already opened and that it's a 64 GB version. Not many informations, maybe about the battery capacity or the RAM or anything like that. No, only storage, only email numbers, and that's it. So let's open up the box, which looks a little bit grayish for my taste. And after gray comes white. Of course, we get, first of all, we get the white papers here. We get our starter guides, nothing more in here. So the starter guides in different languages, showing us where are the buttons, how to press them, and then, give us a hint. Use the Tips app in iOS to learn more about your iPhone. Okay. Then we get the SIM card tray, the opening tool to insert our SIM card. Okay. And we get the warranty guides, fine print, and we get stickers. Yes. And the stickers are in white, as always with a black iPhone. What else is white is stuff that comes with the iPhone. Let's open it up. Oh, there we go. We get our charger with a normal USB port, and it's the same small slim charger we know as always with 5 volt, 1 ampere. So we got a 10-watt charger. We get our Apple headphones, the earpods, which come with a lightning port. And if you still want to use your old headphones, there is still lightning to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack adapter. So if you want to use your old headphones, this is it. And we get our USB, normal USB port to lightning cable here. Yes, still lightning. Apple has not switched over to USB Type-C on the new iPhone 8. No. And what's missing in the box? We know the new iPhone, because of the new backside, can do wireless charging, but there's no wireless charging pad included in the box. And the new iPhone 8 supports Apple's fast charging, and there's no, you can't fast the device, charge the device fast with the charger and the cable that's included. No. Both things, fast charging or Apple fast charging and wireless charging, you have to buy separately. So then we start with the new iPhone. And from the front side, nothing has changed. We still got the home button with the fingerprint scanner built in. We still got a 4.7-inch display. We still got the same 7-megapixel front-facing camera, which can record videos in full HD. And if I take it in my right hand, I can operate the on-off button on the right side with ease. And I can operate the volume buttons on the left side with ease. I can't reach the mute switch with my index finger. And if I operate the device with my left hand, I can reach with ease the volume buttons and the on-off button with my index finger, and maybe if I stretch the mute switch without moving the device in my palm. So let's go around the device. We still got glass on the front side, and then we get an aluminum frame. The SIM card slot is on the right side, the on-off button. On top we get nothing. And on the left side, mute switch, volume bars, and down here we get, no, this is not stereo sound with 2 speakers, no. The left one is a microphone, then we got our lightning port, and then we got the speaker. And on the right side, on the back side, we see the new design, or it looks the same, but we got the different material. Not anymore aluminum, now we are back to glass. And because of this glass, we get the wireless charging technology. What stays is the 12-megapixel camera module with OIS. It's moving, yes, and it stands out a little bit out of the device. And it's the same camera, or the camera module is not able to take those portrait pictures. For those, you need a second camera, as on the iPhone 10 or the iPhone 8 Plus. but everything else stays the same. You still get 4K 60 frames video recording, and you still get slow motion videos in full HD with 120 frames. This is insane. 4K in 60 frames is insane with a smartphone. What else is the same? You get the same CPU, the same A11 Bionics. You get 2 GB of RAM, which should be sufficient for the device. It is as speedy and as powerful as the other 2 new iPhones out there. But this is it. This is only the first impression. Looks and feels normal, but it feels differently at the same time because of the glass backside. And it's 10 grams heavier than the iPhone 7. But still, nice built phone, nice first impression, but it has to be for 800 euros. But this is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. And as you can see already, after 2 minutes with the device in my hands, there are a lot of fingerprints. Maybe or I'm pretty sure in the silver and the gold version, you won't see the fingerprints that much. This is it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. And one last thing that I just noticed, the silver apple is beneath the glass, so you won't be able to scratch it that easy anymore. First you have to scratch the glass and then the apple. This is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!